Hello, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of reviews is now displayed on our screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Except for the percentage of the right library, gold and non-child arrival. The location of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Utilities of homes are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and booking policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So thanks for making a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.